Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Donna, and for those of you not new, you know who I am, you know what my name is, and thank you all so very much for clicking on my video today. I know that you don't have to, so it warms my heart so very much that you do. Today I am doing another Influenster Vox unboxing. Influenster, for those of you that don't know, is an app that you can download onto your phone. I have it downloaded onto my phone. You just basically go on it and pose questions, answer questions, post reviews of products that you use, and it doesn't matter what the type of product is. It could be food, it could be clothing, it could be beauty products, hair products, anything. They have an avenue for you to review products, and everybody who is a member of Influenster can also see those products. This is the third Influenster box I received. The first Influencer box I received was a fabulous moisturizer from Clairol and I that I absolutely fell in love with and would totally repurchase, but it was a $179 bottle of moisturizer that I cannot fit into my budget on a 6-week basis, because that's about how long the product lasted for me, and I wish I could, because I would definitely do so. And I received it for free for a review from Influencer and Clairol and I. The second box I received was two Givenchy lip mousse creams. I can't remember the exact name of the product, to be honest. I will link those two videos up in the cards for you guys. I love them. They are a bit of a moussier texture, so some people don't like them because they're a little more slippy. I do have super dry lips most of the time, so they worked out rather well for my lips, and I don't find them to be as slippy slidey on my lips as they might be on somebody else's, but I do love them. One of them was a red that I thought I would never wear and absolutely fell in love with it, more of an orange red. And the other one was kind of a dusty rose color that was just beautiful. I also received those for free, and Givenchy is a rather luxury brand. Again, not something that fits into my everyday budget. This box is a box of hair product, and I know what's in it because I received an email saying you're in, which you'll receive. You receive these emails and they have questions on there for you, and then you fill out the surveys, and then they will send you an email back that says, hey, you're in, if you answered their questions correctly. And I did with this one, so I know what's in here, and I'm a little bit perturbed with myself about it because I knew it was coming and left my hair undyed for a reason, and then forgot and re-dyed my hair. So I don't know how long it's going to take me to review this product, if I'm being 100% honest, but I'm super excited to try it. So we're going to open up this box. So I did go ahead and cut the little strip of tape that was on this box prior to filming this video. Do you see this from my glasses? For those of you that don't know, I wear glasses, and my glasses like to eat away at my nose. I have plans on going in to see the eye doctor next week to see if I can get new glasses, because this is just irritating me. And love the sporting of the ponytail today. I don't know what kind of bug crawled up my hiney that made me think that putting my hair in a ponytail was a good idea, but I kind of dig it, and I haven't worn a ponytail in probably 18 years. So we're having a good time today. This is my Influencer box. You open it up and this is what you see. You typically will get a card that tells you all about the product inside of the box, kind of like that of BoxyCharm or Ipsy-ish. Ipsy doesn't explain everything on the card, or everything that's in the bag on the card, which, by the way, I haven't received my Ipsy bag yet. I'm kind of worried about where it is. We have a lot of snow out here, and I know that because of the snow, a lot of people are not getting some of the packages that they're supposed to be receiving, so I'm not really sure when it's coming, if I'm being honest. So this is the card that came with this box. It is a Clairol new Root Touch-Up Color Refreshing Spray. This is, from what I understand, very new in market. It hasn't even went into the stores yet, if I remember correctly. But this is what the card shows, and It doesn't look like she needed any kind of root touch-up. Her hair looks pristine. And then on the back of the card, it does show a picture of the product. It says instant and natural looking gray coverage, water resistant and fast drying, portable, and easy to use. To get started, log into your Influenster profile. So when you get a box from Influencer, you have to log into your profile, check it in, so say you got it, and then start the campaign. So once you've done that, you test the new product, and then you share your thoughts about the product. You earn points, and for the points you earn badges, and the more points and badges that you have, you earn more boxes. So this is what the back of the card shows. This girl does not look like she maybe had to touch up any gray in her hair. But with that being said, like, I started getting gray hair in my 20s, so I really can't speak to that. So then the product is in the box. This one is just kind of lying in the box before I've received them, and they've been nicely placed in the box. This is a can of what appears to be spray. Yeah. Oh, it's got a little like pointy nozzle. Can you guys see that? Probably for more direct touch-up usage, but this is what the bottle or the spray can looks like. It is Clairol Root Touch-Up, and it is in the color Auburn. It does appear to be a little more maybe orange toned than my hair is, but it might look okay after. It might look okay after I've got a bit of grow out. I know when I first dye my hair, it's quite a bit darker than it is after a couple washes. I also know that my natural color, well, my roots are super gray. You guys have seen them. My natural color is more of like a tawny, browny, blondie color, which is really ugly, if I'm being honest, which is why I dye it for the most part. And then I started dyeing it because of the gray. But I'm interested to try this just because I have been looking at root touch-up kits on, like, say, Ulta and Sephora. Not really Sephora, I guess. More Ulta over the last several months. And thinking about it, to be honest, I hate having to re-dye my hair every, like, 4 to 6 weeks because my hair grows super fast. And I just let it get to the point where there's, like, so much grow out before I dye it that it makes me sick because I've got so much gray. So I am interested to have this product in my collection, and I will have to use it and tell you how I feel about it. The bottle does say that it's temporary and lasts only one shampoo. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right here in this section here. Temporary, lasts one shampoo. It is a number 1 on the scale of permanentness. And the bottle says to protect your clothing, shake really well, hold 6 inches from dry hair and spray. You want to spray in a steady, even motion until desired color is achieved. So it sounds like the color changes the more you spray on it. This is a super tiny bottle, so I'm interested in how long this is going to last. Let dry for about 60 seconds before touching your hair. So it goes on evidently wet with color, so you don't want to touch your hair for at least a minute after you use it. Once I start having grow out, I might use this and then try again using it on camera, and we'll see how it goes. But this is my unboxing from Influencer today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, that you're considering giving it a big thumbs up. Really does help our channels out here. I also hope that you're considering subscribing to my channel. Hopefully you liked this video, liked other videos of mine, or liked me enough that you want to subscribe to my channel. I would love to see this family here on YouTube grow. I love watching it grow currently to what it's at, and still remain pretty active in the comment section. While it might take me a couple days to get to it because I do have a super full-time job, which I've got news on that coming soon. I really enjoy having this little family of mine, and I hope that you're considering being a part of that. Thank you guys so much for joining my channel. Again, I know that you don't have to, so it warms my heart so very much that you do. And until next time, guys, bye. So I just recorded the entire intro to this video and didn't record anything. So let's start over.